Consew, original, made in Japan, 206 RB4. Big bobbin case underneath, walking foot machine, for leather, heavy duty, high lift. Comes with reverse, automatic stitch up to 10, which is a large, like half an inch, and a bobbin winder to refill your bobbin. I'm going to demonstrate the machine to you right now. And as you take a look, that is your stitches. And I'm going to put a heavy duty which you can see the stitches, big stitches. We go on 10, number 10, and it will be a large stitch. But you see the stitch, half an inch. And we'll put nylon for awning. And here's your stitch. As you see, back and forth, big stitch, small stitch. A small stitch, a small stitch. You want it smaller, we'll go smaller. And a small stitch. You do plastics, leather, and heavy denim, anything you need. Thank you very much and good luck.